In order to change your logo on your site, you will need to access your admin site. You can navigate using the sidebar or the link on the home page. Select Site Settings and Site Appearance. You'll find various options where you can add in images and logos to brand your site. You'll also find information on what image size is best if you hover over the green eye. You can upload an image for the logo here. Make sure you press Upload to ensure that it goes through. The favicon is visible on the top of a tab, and once you've uploaded the image you will need to create the favicon. You can change the colors here if required and then press Generate Favicon. You can also add an email logo and a login splash which will be visible to customers before they've signed in. No image will come up if your products don't have any images attached to them. We can then navigate to the site and view the logo and the favicon at the top of the page. And we can see the no logo image has been added to this product here.